You guys know that I'm not a handbag person, but I want you to watch me unbox my first luxury bag. Technically, it's not my first because I do have a bum bag, but I don't think that the bum bag counts. So let's see. This is a very heavy box.
What'd you do?
Bought a bag.
Okay, Pee-Pee Lottie, let's see it.
What is that? Oh, bags inside of bags.
Pray for Lauren.
I went to this store because I was really wanting to try to find like a carry-on bag, and this was sitting on top of the carry-on bag, and I've been doing a lot of talks, and so I just wanted like a classy bag to put my laptop in, carry around at conferences, and it sits on top of the carry-on bag. So she is just beautiful. Side, 2 pockets, laptop, extraneous stuff, and zipper bag thing. Then on the back, this actually will hold like passport, wallet, cell phone, and it will snap out of place. If you want to take it off, don't want this on there, or if you want to put it back on there, magnet closure there. So is gorgeous. So excited. Let me see what he thinks. Okay, Ray, what do you think of the bag?
It matches my boots, but it goes with your eyes.
So you approve? Thank you.